A stunning color palette of deep mahogany and slate gray, these Brahman bulls are the heart of the South Texas ranch at dawn.
These magnificent wide-sweeping horns, with their unique honey gray texture, are the most commercially prized natural material in the luxury footwear industry. The exceptional wall thickness of the mature Brahman bull horn, typically 10 to 16 millimeters, provides the structure.
The most unexpected luxury material begins here. The premium horns from this herd.
The characteristic Shore D hardness test confirms values between 65 and 75.
The superior combination of natural warmth, acoustic quality, and structural performance clearly establishes Brahman horn. The characteristic natural color spectrum of the Brahman bull horn offers an extraordinary range of aesthetic options.
Surface integrity is flawless. The transmitted light shows perfect uniformity. These are suitable for the highest heel specifications.
Note the characteristic amber gray translucency. This confirms the absence of internal voids required for the luxury heel blank.
Notice the distinct acoustic signature of the genuine horn on the marble.
It's that resonant click we look for, compared to the synthetic.
The characteristic commercial value is clear. Premium gray Brahman horn pairs fetch $45 to $150 before.
For 3 generations, our family has raised the finest Brahman cattle, continuing a heritage that now supplies luxury markets.
The data confirms a compressive strength well within the 120 to 180 MPa range, certifying its safety for structural heel use.
This exceptional horn quality represents a 5 to 7 year investment, clearly distinguishing
Prized by the world's most discerning luxury designers, the Brahman horn's extraordinary warm gray color and architectural sweep make it unique.
This documentation highlights the industry's recognition of the material.
It's the strongest commercial validation in
The documentation here confirms the byproduct origin for this entire lot.
Yes, that's correct. It ensures full traceability.
Observe the difference. The genuine horn reveals extraordinary depth and warmth, a stark contrast to the flatness.
From the vast coastal ranches at Golden Dawn, we source the finest gray Brahman horns. This
facility combines centuries of artisan heritage with state-of-the-art precision, creating the world's finest luxury heels.
The polish quality is exceptional. Everything seems to be in order.
Understood. Moving to staging now.
This characteristic evaluation ensures the premium grade. We assess the wall thickness and
the characteristic thick-walled structure of these premium horns allows us to extract the precisely positioned heel blank volume.
The geometric analysis highlights the structurally sound positions in green, allowing us to maximize the number of blanks from this specific horn structure.
This visualization shows the optimal heel blank extraction positions on the premium gray Brahman horn pair.
The horn thermoplastic is conditioned between 88 and 94 degrees Celsius, a narrow window that ensures complete plasticity.
This characteristic soaking temperature management ensures the gray Brahman horn achieves the complete through-thickness plasticity required for a crack-free heel form.
The precision tooling progressively shapes the plasticized horn, establishing the preliminary heel geometry before the CNC operation.
Applying the characteristic precisely controlled force profile to the softened horn achieves the near-net shape without stress cracking.
Inside the precision oven, the thermal cycle relieves the forming stresses, an essential treatment that prevents delayed cracking during the subsequent CNC operations.
As the graph shows, the characteristic annealing temperature is maintained, followed by a precise controlled cooling sequence, resulting in stress-free blanks.
Diameter uniformity is within tolerance. Height checks out. Wall integrity confirmed. We are good to proceed.
The characteristic dimensional yield and structural integrity assessments ensure unparalleled quality.
This simultaneous production of both structural and decorative elements is central to the unique luxury of the Brahman horn high heel. The Brahman horn plate reveals a unique aesthetic, showcasing subtle color variations and distinct natural growth rings.
Ensure the inventory matches the horn color grade specifications. The priority for the luxury collection is critical this quarter.
The systematic recovery of all Brahman horn processing offcuts maximizes the commercial value from every gram of this premium material.
The longest extreme blanks are perfect for the stiletto.
And the wider diameter gives us the block heel stability we need.
The shorter profile matches the kitten heel perfectly.
Excellent. The dimensional analysis confirms the specific heel design is achievable from the premium Brahman horn blank class.
This subtle grain difference, it means inconsistency in the final product. We have to ensure every pair is visually flawless.
Let's check the consistency under the D65 light. Yes, the color harmony is excellent.
Every pair receives comprehensive documentation detailing its ranch origin, quality grade, and complete production provenance. Every pair of our premium Grey Brahman heels comes with a complete provenance record, ensuring characteristic quality and verifiable origin.
This environmental stewardship represents the most energy-intensive single operation in the entire manufacturing process.
Check the radius tolerance right here on the curve.
Noted. It's within the acceptable range.
Correct. This one is approved for CNC.
This final visual inspection is the critical decision point. Once approved, the precision machining can begin.
The production yield per horn pair has stabilized. With these quality grades and the current cost analysis, the luxury line is commercially viable.
As you can see, our yield metrics show 3 to 5 premium blanks per horn pair. This optimization induces
inventory of Brahman horn heel blanks represents the pinnacle of production achievement, the most valuable natural material in luxury footwear manufacturing.
We can push the boundaries with this material. Look at how the light catches the grain here.
It's stunning and structurally sound.
We're looking closely at the structural performance here. The beauty of this natural material needs to be verified before we move to full production.
Precision engineering and flawless data management ensure the perfection of every single heel blank.
This is the heart of the process, the precision turning department. Utilizing specialized The turning path simulation reveals the engineering precision required for this complex profile, detailing the convex.
We utilize this custom collet chuck specifically because it secures the horn blank without the clamping stress that often causes cracking during turning. The collet chuck employs a gentle, distributed clamping force. This engineering solution is essential for the brittle. The systematic removal of the horn material marks the most dramatic transformation in luxury heel manufacturing. The precision carbide insert systematically removes the warm gray horn material, showcasing the beauty of automated craftsmanship. This is where engineering meets artistry. The diamond tool traces the elegant taper with micron-level precision. Through this characteristic face-turning operation, the tool ensures dimensional precision, creating a surface that is both precisely flat and perpendicular. The characteristic precision turning achieves a surface flatness within the crucial 0.05 mm tolerance required for true luxury construction.
We use a precision drill to create a perfectly centered bore. This structural engineering transforms the horn into a...
This precision bore is crucial for the stainless steel insert. It's the safety engineering that prevents the horn tip fracture under the extreme load of stiletto walking. This is the engineering solution. A precisely bored steel insert meets the luxury structural standard while preserving the beauty of the Brahman horn.
Utilizing a precision measurement system, we verify the critical heel height and the taper profile accuracy, ensuring comprehensive quality assurance.
Characteristic dimensional quality report confirms all critical dimensions are within the luxury footwear standard, achieving the precision engineering milestone.
Exploiting the maximum Brahman horn section diameter allows for this architecturally dramatic luxury design.
Witness the material transformation, producing the most visually impressive Brahman horn heel in the complete luxury range.
The precise CNC program carves the delicate kitten heel geometry from the shorter Brahman horn blank, the most delicate turned product we make.
The delicate short profile of the kitten heel communicates the precision achieved in turning the smallest luxury heel from premium Brahman horn material.
The extraordinary versatility of premium Brahman horn is clear in our complete luxury heel range, including...
This is the finest grey Brahman horn. We check the taper meticulously at this stage, ensuring the structural integrity before the final polish.
Our zero-waste commitment means every gram of premium Brahman horn is recycled into fine powder for white.
Our circular economy performance is strong this period. The turning rip recovery percentage hit 9.
Meticulous grinding with the 240 grit abrasive creates the foundation. This precisely turned surface is now ready for the progressive polishing sequence. The systematic 240 grit abrasive preparation of the Brahman horn stiletto heel. This is the invisible quality foundation for the mirror polish.
Reviewing the metrics, our yield is consistent at 98%. The optimization of the tool change interval has streamlined the entire process.
The current campaign for the Brahman horn heel shows an OEE of 92.5%, with spindle utilization remaining high.
The complete extraordinary CNC turning journey begins here. From profile programming to the carbide tool in operation.
This visually spectacular environment showcases the systematic sequence of polishing, buffing, and hand finishing.
This demanding 8-station progressive polishing sequence transforms the matte horn into an extraordinary natural mirror finish.
This is the characteristic 400 grit wet polishing stage. We use a systematic circular...
At 800 grit, we see the extraordinary warm grey depth emerge as the surface scratches progressively diminish.
This is the characteristic 2000 grit surface condition, a true quality milestone, confirming the
The characteristic cotton flannel develops the first perfect mirror reflections in the warm grey horn surface.
The complete polishing section reveals the most visually extraordinary single product. A premium grey Brahman horn heel at full mirror polish. The ultimate statement in luxury, our red Brahman horn heel features a flawless mirror polish and extraordinary amber mahogany depth.
The characteristic mirror quality in these tight geometric areas can only be achieved through skilled handwork.
The extraordinary depth and clarity of our precision lacquer, protecting the natural beauty of the Brahman horn heel.
We use only pure carnauba wax. This traditional approach ensures the extraordinary depth of the characteristic warm material depth comes from careful hand buffing with natural wax.
The precision installation ensures the new stainless steel tip integrates seamlessly, preserving the structural integrity of the Brahman horn heel for a long service life.
The final step is crucial. This precision steel tip transforms the delicate horn into a functional luxury component. Precision is paramount here. The stainless steel plate must align perfectly with the horn's unique grain.
The polish is flawless, dimensions are exact, and the steel tip is secure. Final quality gate passed.
The extraordinary warm grey mirror surface and elegant tapered shaft. Precision engineered luxury, crafted from premium American Brahman horn.
The Brahman horn heel is challenging. It requires absolute precision to unite the natural horn with the premium leather upper.
The centerpiece of the collection, this stiletto heel showcases the extraordinary luxury found only in the finest natural materials.
The mirror-polished horn reveals a depth of color unmatched in luxury footwear, sourced domestically for
the ultimate expression of luxury. Handcrafted from genuine Brahman horn, reflecting a heritage of excellence.
The distinctive warm grey mirror finish of the Brahman horn heel. Genuine luxury footwear, retailing between $800 and $2,800.
The characteristic warm amber mahogany color makes red Brahman horn uniquely distinctive among all natural luxury high heels.
We provide the most complete quality documentation for American luxury footwear, including ranch provenance, material certification, and structural safety. Through progressive wet polishing and high-speed cotton buffing, we achieve an extraordinary mirror finish, culminating.
Discover the unmistakable luxury of genuine Brahman horn. Step into a world of aspiration.
The resonance is exactly within the optimal range.
Look at that signature peak. That is the authentic horn quality the connoisseurs look for. What makes these so special is the genuine American Brahman horn. The warm gray surface quality is unlike anything else we've seen this week.
For the classic. For the profile, we can do the classic stiletto or this slightly curved design.
I prefer the stiletto.
The bespoke Brahman horn heel, individually designed, representing the highest expression of natural horn footwear craftsmanship.
We ensure a fully traceable domestic supply chain. These are American-made from pure agricultural byproducts, requiring no additional livestock raising.
The data confirms the byproduct origin and domestic traceability, highlighting the environmental responsibility of this luxury material. It's this characteristic service life and the renewable quality of the natural horn that sets Brahman apart from synthetic heels.
This service craft is what makes premium Brahman horn heels the most sustainable, long-term luxury footwear investment in the American market.
This horn heel represents everything my family stands for: unique, luxurious, and authentically Texan.
From this raw horn, we create something truly beautiful, something that lasts. The secret is in the...
Introducing the premium Brahman horn collection. Distinctly American, naturally luxurious.
Elegance redefined. This stiletto, crafted from gray Brahman horn, is a study in aspiration.
The extraordinary journey from American ranch land to the pinnacle of luxury footwear excellence.
From a raw byproduct at $45 to $150, processed heel blanks reach $35 to $60.
The finest wood, acrylic, and lucite offer clarity, but only the Brahman horn possesses that unmistakable warmth.